If you've just seen the Whirlpool washing machine E4 error code appear on your display, chances are you're wondering what went wrong, especially if the cycle was already in progress. You press pause, look around, maybe open and close the lid again, hoping something clicks back into place. But the washer just sits there beeping or blinking, and you're left standing in front of a half-spun load of laundry, trying to guess what to do next. Hey, someone opened the lid while I was spinning? That's it. It's not a mechanical breakdown or a major fault. Make sure it clicks. That little click is everything. It tells the washer, I'm ready now. Once it's closed properly, the machine should resume the cycle on its own, or you might need to press start or resume depending on your model. It's just a built-in safety feature that stops the spin cycle if the lid is lifted. Kind of like a car refusing to drive with the door wide open. Let's make this simple. It's not the end of the world, and your laundry will be spinning again before you know it. Sometimes, all it takes is a little click. It could be a loose or worn-out lid switch. That tiny piece inside the machine that checks whether the lid is closed can wear down over time or get misaligned. If it's too sensitive, the washer might think the lid opened mid-spin even when it didn't. Sometimes the lid doesn't latch properly. Maybe the load inside is a little too big or uneven. It's a small part, and the fix isn't too complicated if you're comfortable using a screwdriver, or if you know someone who is, and the vibrations during the spin cause the lid to shift just enough to trigger the alarm. Or maybe someone else in the house came by mid-cycle and didn't close the lid tightly after peeking inside. It happens. The Whirlpool washing machine E4 error code is basically your washer's way of saying, you might be thinking, but I didn't open it. And maybe you didn't. Not on purpose. Anyway, here's what to do. Open the lid completely, then close it firmly. But here's where it gets a bit more interesting. If you find this error keeps popping up, even when you haven't touched the lid, the issue might not be with you at all. A loose switch can sometimes be gently repositioned, or in some cases, it might need replacing. So next time your spin cycle hits pause and throws out a mysterious message, just remember, the Whirlpool washing machine E4 error code is usually nothing more than a lid issue.